Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to log into Robinhood. Robinhood is an American financial service company headquartered in Menlo Park. It is known for offering commission-free trade stocks and exchange-traded funds via a mobile application. In order to log into your account, click Open a web browser. In the search box, type in robinhood.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website. Now, click on the login button at the upper right corner in order to log into your account. Enter your Robinhood account's credentials on the next page. You can start by entering your email or your username. Make sure to type in a valid one and move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this link that says forgot your username or password and follow the instructions to either look for your email or your username or simply to reset your password. After entering all the credentials, click on sign in, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be logged into Robinhood. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.